wanted to show my tools that I kind of have that are portable for working on phones. This is my Best kit. Best 633 precision tool. It's kind of like a faux leather case. It's kind of like a screw thing. I mean, you don't take it all the way off, but I wanted to kind of show what it goes on. So when it slides in, there's these side flats that come through and kind of lock in place. So when this screws down, and you don't have to do it like that, you just find where it slides in. But that's what I was going to talk about. Sometimes when you screw it down, this thing gets caught in there, and it's almost impossible to pull it out. And I don't really know why that is. I think this thing will lock in place. Yeah, like that, just lock in place. So maybe it just needs to go down this far. I don't know, maybe I could shove something in the bottom of there so it doesn't go down that far. Well, anyway, so once it's locked in place, I mean, it's pretty good. It's not going anywhere. Sometimes I need pliers to pull them out. Of course, this is the torx set. And you've got a bunch of the torx. Here's a straight one for pushing in and popping the SIM cards out. You've got all the different torx. Looks like you got a bunch of them. Anyway, here's a little teeny Phillips. We got some flat tips. You got the tri-wing. Got a triangle. They got the pentalobe. This is the 5-side. It looks like a torque. It's got a couple of those. They look like a torque, but they're meant to get into the bottom of an iPhone. And of course, it's got a flat, really small screwdriver. That actually has helped me get into remove a battery in a watch before. And then you got the bigger one that works good for laptops. Anyway, it's just got a little bit of everything in it. I don't think it's fully comprehensive or anything like that. But it's kind of neat. It's come in handy a few times. I mean, you get a bunch of torques, and you get, the other stuff, the kind of odds and ends. The triangular tip is cool, and Best is really nice. It is a little bit slick. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put a rubber band around my screwdrivers, and then it'll hold. This is a 25 piece, but these are the best screwdrivers. Best are the best screwdrivers for me when it comes to working on cell phones. I've had a lot of screwdrivers before. I mean, iFixit makes a really sweet kit. I still like Best just a little bit more. Anyway, just kind of showing that off. Been out of town a few times at a hotel, and this has come in really handy, because I'm kind of a guy that'll just get into my stuff if it's not working. I want to see. Anyway, thanks.